Are you a designer on 99 Designs wanting to stand out in more contests? Hey there, I'm Chad. I'm a designer and I've been working on 99 Designs by Vista since about 2013. In this video, I'll walk through some strategies to be more successful in design contests. On 99 Designs, contests are a great way to practice your design skills, work with new clients, and build your portfolio. Contests are also highly competitive, so it's important to know some effective strategies to put your best foot forward. Like most things in life, you'll be more successful with your design contests when you lean on your strengths. Evaluate your skills to decide what is the right type of contest to enter. If you're not inspired by the brief right off the bat, the contest probably isn't right for you. A good contest should feel like a challenge you're excited to work through, not something that leaves you bored. Do you have a specific style? Consider which industries best fit your look. Are you a top-notch packaging designer? Focus your efforts there instead of spreading yourself thin across categories you may not be as skilled at. If you're still working out where your strengths are, test your skills out in a variety of design contests and see how you perform. Alright, so when you're ready to start designing, we can just browse some contests. So I've shortlisted a few designs here, which we'll have a quick look at. So this one's in the automotive industry. We can have a quick look at this. It's a guaranteed contest. That means that, they'll definitely pick a winner. Got a bit of a description about the business, a few colors. You can scroll through. We can see that there's a few other things that we need to design, not just a logo. This is business card, letterhead, envelope. We're gonna have a look at some of the existing designs that other designers have submitted. I could spend some time and work on a few ideas. However, there's no feedback, and I'd like to know that if I'm on the right track, that potentially could get some feedback. As you can see, there's no star rating. So although it's kind of industry that I normally work in, I'm not getting a lot of inspiration from this. So I probably won't invest too much time in it, and I might have a look at see if there's any other contests that may be more appealing. Cloud Motorsports. So this is potential to be quite cool. Drifting team, they've got like various colors there. You could be quite creative. They've also got some attachments there for some cars. It may be cool to even do like a mock-up of the logo on the car itself. I think the idea appeals to me. If you look at some of the designs, we can kind of get a bit of a feel for the direction of the logo and what they like. However, looking at some of them, they're all quite varied. What I might do is start brainstorming. I'll put a few ideas together, and if I feel that I can come up with a design that I'm personally happy with, I'll definitely put an entry in this design contest. So reviewing this contest, so this is like a hunting, fishing, camping industry logo. Looking at this design brief, I'm getting a few ideas. They have a bit of a clear vision on the style, and they've also put some attachments there as well on some of the fonts and some of the logos that they like themselves. They're the best ones. You get excited about entering and you can't wait to get in there. A contest I'd definitely enter. But you just gotta make sure before you start getting in and designing, it's always a good idea to really read the brief, have a very clear vision on what the client wants. Okay, so once we've reviewed the brief, it's time to start brainstorming. I also download all the attachments. In this case, I've just put them over to the side, and I can just start working through some designs. Sometimes you'll find that it can take longer than others. You may design something and it's just not working out. You're constantly assessing and reassessing what you do. You can work on, many concepts before you get like a design that you're really happy with. Keep it in line with what the client wants and try and reference some of those attachments that they have on the contest brief. The designs that you're most excited about and really proud of are the ones that are really successful. And once you've got a design which you're really happy with, I like to then sort of really showcase that design. I'll then upload that design into the contest. When you're ready to submit a design, click on the button and you can go into this description, and when you upload your design, you can explain your design. So it's really important at this point to really kind of highlight some of the elements that may be in your design, or maybe use some of the language that's in the design brief to really complement your logo itself. It's a really good chance to also ask for some feedback. They might want to see the design in another color, or on a light or dark background. Any kind of feedback you get can be really helpful. Always be friendly. It's great if you can introduce yourself. After you've uploaded your design, if you have any other designs where you feel that fit the contest, you can always upload while you're waiting for feedback for the design you just submitted. Feel free to jump into another contest and start fresh and increase your chances of winning. And there you have it. Give these tips a try when entering your next contest. So to recap, determine your strengths and weaknesses. Know your brand and style. Review the contest brief carefully and do some research before entering. Brainstorm quick prototypes instead of striving for perfection. Explain your work to the client with effective and clear communication. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. See you next time on 99 Designs.